Okay guys, what is up? So in today's video we're going to be having a look at Bitcoin and understand exactly why it looks like a mess right now, but I'm going to explain to you guys why the dump happened, and we're going to dissect a little bit on what happened. We're also going to be having a look at Kadena, guys. KDA, one of my favorite altcoins out there, proof of work, very good coin. Not financial advice, guys. If you want to learn more about Kadena, go and feel free looking through my video. Go through their website. Go do your own research. But Kadena is currently ranked 94, 260,000 people on the watch list. A few weeks ago, we were above $1.2 billion. Now we are currently sitting at $634 million. That is fantastic news for Kadena. And the reason why I'm saying that, for people who believe in the project and for people who believe in Kadena, the reason why I'm saying this is fantastic news is because this thing will explode. And I know people are a little bit impatient right now and saying when moon, when this, when that. Guys, Bitcoin is in a bear market. Right here, as you guys can see on the right side of my screen, we got Kadena down and Bitcoin is down 7%, okay? Now, Kadena is down 12%, and considering that Bitcoin is down 7% and Kadena is down 12%, that is nothing. I mean, I thought that Kadena would be down 15-20%, but and that's with the rest of the altcoins. But KDA, guys, very undervalued in my opinion, and we need to be patient and we need to understand that essentially. So we're going to be having a look at that, but let's diving into Bitcoin first, because Bitcoin is king. Bitcoin's the leader. There's no question about that. Bitcoin controls the market, and let's see if Bitcoin can have a nice little reversal before so Kadena can go do it as well. Starting off with the VPVR volume profile. Sorry guys, I was out partying last night, a little bit of a headache. But starting off with the VPVR volume profile right here, this is the point of control. For those of you guys who don't know what the volume profile is, it essentially tells you how much volume was traded in that specific region, and which one is the point of control, not how much money was traded in a specific time frame, okay, that we have on the bottom. So that's that. So starting off, if we actually zoom in, this is the point of control right here. So it's already given by the computer or by the algorithm. And as you guys can see, we actually got rejected by two things, okay? The number one thing is this right here, the resistance of the falling wedge. The number two is the resistance of the volume profile, the point of control right here, which I can move, okay? So this is given, they did that. So charts don't lie, volume profile doesn't lie. It's very interesting that it was put right there. Now, the other thing is that Bitcoin is currently dumping, okay? If I remove this channel, I mean, this channel is not really relevant anymore because we broke out of it, but this is a falling wedge. Now, falling wedges are usually bullish, okay? We're supposed to come back up to this region, which would have been a 30% pump, but guess what? That didn't happen, okay? Yesterday we had a nice little breakout when the Fed announced the 5% interest rate. But guess what, guys? This is only temporary. These things are only temporary. When there's a big announcement, it's weird because it usually does the opposite, then it goes back to what it actually was. So we got a double dump, actually, if you guys think about it, because yesterday we were right here, we closed right here, and we were supposed to dump more, but we pumped because a lot of people were expecting a dump. So now the interesting thing is that right here we did close below this. I mean, we didn't close below yet. We are on the 4-hour time frame, and we did close below the falling wedge. So it's going to be very interesting to see if we can essentially close that on the daily time frame. If we have a look on the 4-hour time frame, we are close. We already closed below. We had a nice little rejection right here. We already closed below on the 4-hour time frame. So the next time frame we want to be looking at essentially is a daily time frame. If we manage to close a daily time frame below this falling wedge, we're most likely going to come back and retest the $34,000 region, which is approximately right here, 33,800, which is currently right here. Let's move away these EMA ribbons real quick. The next level that I'm going to be looking at Bitcoin is 30K. Now 30K I've been talking about on this channel for quite some time. A lot of people thought that I was spreading FUD. No, 30K is a level that I really see Bitcoin going back to. And once again, guys, not financial advice, but this is only good news. You will be able to accumulate Bitcoin and more crypto and more Kadena, VRA and Seller and whatever you guys believe in, you guys will be essentially able to accumulate more of these at 30K, because when Bitcoin goes to 30K, we're going to see Kadena maybe by half. Let's dive into Kadena right now and see what we can do. Kadena doesn't have much support right here. Okay, I mentioned 2 levels for KDA. The first one I mentioned was 4.6. The second one I mentioned was 2.5. Okay, we don't have much support right now between 4.26 and 2.5. So if I actually zoom in on Kadena right now, I mean, we don't have a choice but to come down, right? We could double bottom right here. This is obviously on the daily time frame. We could come back and double bottom right here, but this is not giving us much support, right? I mean, this is a daily time frame right here. We don't have much support. I mean, we do have this little area right here, as you guys can see, that was sitting at the 25th of October. But 2.5 would essentially be golden. That's going to be my area. If we break this level right here and Bitcoin does go to 34K, I wouldn't be surprised if we do have a nice little move to 2.4, 2.5, assuming Bitcoin does enter a long-term 6 to 8 months bear market and we do go below 30K. Kadena can go to as low as 1.34. This is what bear markets do, guys. You lose 99% of your portfolio, and there's, I mean, there's not really anything you can do. But this is my video on KDA and Bitcoin. If you guys like this video, of course, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe. And guys, in the link in the description, there's a Bybit. There's a Bybit link where you can receive up to $4,050 if you deposit up to a certain amount. So go ahead and check that out. And I will see you guys in my next video tomorrow.